Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best mini drone available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best mini drone, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V88 Drone 8K. Xiaomi V88 Drone Vertical Bar V88 Drone 8K Professional HD Dual Camera Vertical Bar 8K HD Dual Camera captures stunning 8K aerial footage with the dual camera setup, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. Stay safe with 5G GPS obstacle avoidance, automatically stopping upon encountering obstacles. Foldable optical flow design makes the drone compact and portable for on-the-go adventures. Enjoy extended flights with a 35-minute battery life, perfect for capturing more moments. Effortlessly take photos and record videos with gesture shooting and video recognition up to 1500 m. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia LU200 Drone 8K. Capture stunning 8K images with the LU200 drone's triple camera setup, ensuring every shot is crystal clear. Navigate effortlessly with GPS and optical localization, providing precise positioning and control. Fly with confidence as the drone's 4-way obstacle avoidance system keeps it safe from collisions. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, perfect for extended aerial adventures. Explore further with a remote control distance of up to 10,000 meters, expanding your drone's reach. Number 3. Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone 8K. Navigate with confidence using the drone's advanced optical flow obstacle avoidance system. Experience durability and portability with the brushless foldable design, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Enjoy extended flights with a flight time of approximately 45 minutes, capturing more footage per charge. Navigate with confidence using the drone's advanced optical flow obstacle avoidance system. Navigate effortlessly with headless mode and return home with a single press, simplifying flight control. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia 4DRC V30 Mini Drone. Capture stunning 8K clarity with dual cameras, ensuring you never miss a detail. Explore with confidence using GPS for precise navigation and FPV for real-time footage. Fly fearlessly with 5-sided obstacle avoidance, keeping your drone safe in complex environments. Explore vast distances with a remote control range of up to 1000 m, perfect for extended flights. Compact and portable, the foldable arms make it easy to carry your drone wherever you go. Number 5. Xiaomi K818 Max Drone 8K. K818 Max Obstacle Avoidance Drone 8K HD Camera, 2.4G/8 channels, Remote Electric 90 degrees adjustment. Product color, black-gray. Motor model, brushless motor. Remote control mode, left-hand throttle. Flight time, about 20 minutes. Remote phone clip size, supports the largest phone size, 5.5 inches. Remote control battery, 3.7 volts 300 milliamperes lithium battery. Remote control use time, about 10 hours. Body module lithium battery, 7.4 volts 3000 milliamperes. Remote control distance, no interference, no occlusion, 500 meters. Charging method, USB cable. Charging time, 120 minutes.